Yes. Superb. Step 2. Step 3. No. Do neatly, ma. Very good. Okay. Do neatly. Superb. Folding activity. Do neatly. No. You have to see. This edges have to be same. Okay. Step 2. No. Do neatly. No. Okay. Step 3. Very good. Ritik, super. Step 1. Folding activity. Step 2. No. Do neatly. No. Do neatly. Step 2. Step 3. Do neatly. Wow. Equally. Have to do neatly. Do like this. Okay. You have to do folding activity. Step 1. Do neatly, ma. Folding activity. 1. Very good, Dharani. 2. Very good. Do neatly, baby. Do neatly. Okay. 3. Do neatly. Yeah. That's the step 3 you have to do. Very good. Step 1. Yeah. No. Do here. Keep here. Yeah. Wait. Yeah. Step 1. No. Do neatly, ba. Okay. Step 2. You don't help. Yeah. Step 3. Very good, Kanishka. Folding activity. Puzzle. You. Step 1. No. 1. Slowly. No. You have to touch this edges. Okay. 2. 3. Slowly. No. Don't do like that, ma. Do slowly. 3. Very good. Okay. How to fold the cloth? Yeah. Step 1. Yeah. Step 1. Equal. You have to put equally. Step 2. Step 2. Step 3. No. You didn't do properly. Okay. See, listen. First. Yeah. Do first. Do again, ma. Do again. Step 1. Step 1. Yeah. Do step 2. Step 2. Do neatly. Yeah. Step 3. No. Step 3. You have to do like this. Do one more time. Do step 3. Very good. And keep it in your cupboard shelf. Thank you. 1. Step 2. Very good. No. Put neatly. Okay, neatly. You have to keep neatly. Okay. Step 3. Okay. Step 2. Step 3. Very good. Super.